This is the resort that started the entire Lopesan story in Punta Cana. Before Caoba Lagoon, before Serenity Bay, before Splash Cove, there was Lopesan Costa Bavaro, and it is still the largest and most established of the group. But there is something about the adults-only section here that guest ratings expose very clearly, and if you are booking specifically for that, you need to see the numbers before you pay. This is the honest review. Start with what this resort is. Lopesan Costa Bavaro opened in 2019 on Bavaro Beach, sitting between the Barceló Bavaro Palace on one side and the Meliá Caribe Beach Resort on the other, which is one of the most competitive stretches of sand in the entire Caribbean. It runs more than 1,000 rooms, and it is roughly 15 minutes from Punta Cana International Airport. That transfer time is genuinely good for a Bavaro property. What it actually has: 7 pools, 13 bars, 2 beach clubs, a spa, a casino, a theater and a shopping area. On dining, 8 a la carte restaurants plus buffet options, a coffee shop and an ice cream shop. For families there is a water park, a kids pool, a dedicated kids section of the beach, a kids club, teen programming, an arcade and a bowling alley. The dual-level infinity pool is consistently described as one of the most striking in Punta Cana. Here is the honest positioning, and it matters for setting your expectations correctly. Against its immediate neighbors, Barceló and Meliá, this resort wins clearly on design, on how modern everything feels, and on the quality of the spirits poured at the bars. It is the newest build on this stretch, and it shows. Guest reviews repeatedly describe the architecture as genuinely beautiful and the layout as pleasant to walk, and they note that the resort does not feel crowded even at near full capacity, which for a 1,000-plus room property is a real achievement. Now the friction, because there is a specific and consistent pattern here. The a la carte reservation system draws complaints in review after review. You cannot pre-book before you arrive, which means securing the restaurants you want becomes a daily task once you are on property rather than something you plan ahead. On top of that, the restaurant most guests rate as the best on the property carries a surcharge, so the single best dining experience here is not actually included in your all-inclusive rate. For a resort at this price point, that stings. Now the adults-only situation, and this is the part one want you to pay real attention to. Lopesan Costa Bavaro added an adults-only club, a separate section with its own pools, its own bars and its own stretch of white sand, marketed as a sophisticated escape for couples and groups, with guests also getting unlimited access to the main resort facilities. On paper it sounds excellent. But look at how it is actually rated. On TripAdvisor, the adults-only club sits at 3 out of 5 stars and ranks 295th out of 634 hotels in Bavaro. That is a mid-tier ranking at best, and it is notably weaker than how the main resort performs. Independent reviewers describe the adults-only section as having reliability problems, and guests specifically report confusion over which areas are actually adults-only, which are unique club, and which are open to families, because those designated zones overlap in ways that are not clearly explained on arrival. So my honest read on that, if you want a genuinely ironclad adults-only experience where you will not encounter children, this is not the property for you, and there are true adults-only resorts in Punta Cana and Caoba Cana that deliver that without ambiguity. If you want a mostly quieter section within a large family resort, and you are comfortable with some overlap, it works. Now Unique Club, which is the upgraded tier and a different proposition entirely. This runs around $321 to $531 a night depending on season and category, and it includes butler service, upgraded room categories including corner suites, pool suites and swim-up suites, and access to exclusive areas. Guests who booked Unique consistently rate their experience higher than standard guests, and they name their butler specifically for handling exactly the thing that frustrates everyone else, booking the a la carte restaurants. When the single biggest complaint about a resort is the reservation system, and the upgrade includes someone whose job is to handle reservations for you, that upgrade is doing real work rather than just adding luxury. On the beach, Playa Bavaro is genuinely good, with calm water and plenty of sand, though guests note it can get crowded, which is inherent to this stretch rather than specific to this resort. One more thing worth knowing, this is Bavaro, which faces east directly into the Sargassum current path. If you have seen my beach by beach Sargassum breakdown, this is the exposed side of Punta Cana rather than the reef-protected Caoba Cana side. During peak season, roughly June through August, plan accordingly. On price, rates start around $300 a night, which puts this in the upper middle tier for Bavaro. It is not the cheapest option on this beach and it does not pretend to be. So who should book Lopesan Costa Bavaro? Families who want a modern, well-designed resort with a genuine water park, a real kids club and teen programming, all in a property that walks easily rather than requiring shuttles. Couples who are willing to upgrade to unique club, since that tier fixes the main friction point and delivers a noticeably more polished stay. And anyone who values contemporary design and drink quality over sheer scale, since this beats its older neighbors clearly on both. Who should skip it? Budget travelers, since rates start around $300 a night, serious food-focused travelers who will resent paying a surcharge for the best restaurant on an all-inclusive property, and adults-only purists who need a guarantee of no children, because this property cannot give you that. And my saving tip, if you are considering unique club, price it against the standard rate carefully, because the gap varies substantially by season and the butler service specifically solves the reservation problem that generates most of the complaints here. If you are staying 5 nights or more, that upgrade is likely to change your trip more than it changes your bill. And as always, compare Lopesan's own website against the booking platforms, since this chain publishes direct promotions that do not always reach third-party sites. Would a surcharge on the best restaurant bother you at an all-inclusive, or is that a fair trade for a better meal? Tell me in the comments, I read every one. I have full reviews of the 3 newer Lopesan resorts in this same complex on the channel if you want to compare. If this helped you pick the right one, subscribe to Punta Cana to do incluido, because that is exactly what we do here, honest reviews of Caribbean and Mexican resorts so you book the right one the first time. Travel smart, and I will see you in the next one.